Hi everyone, this is a Stitch Fix day today, and I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside.
Hello, I'm Joshua, and I'm going to be in this video.
Okay. Alright, so anything I don't want, I return it in this bag. Free shipping both ways. Here's my bundle, what it looks like inside. Now you read off this later. Just want to see who the stylist is. Oh, it's Whitney again. Hi, Whitney. Right. This is really pretty. It's a really long shirt. Really long. Okay, this is by Kylie, I think. Right, so I got this. That's really pretty. The sleeves. This is by Fortune Ivy. So pretty. Let's see, has a zipper in the front. Alright, this is August Mist. Little green sweater. And look at this on the elbows. Super cute. This is nice and thick. Really thick sweater. This is really pretty. Oops. Alright, this is a Leo and Nicole poncho pullover. Really pretty. Oh wow. These are super thin, lightweight exercising pants, I think. Oh, these are exercising. These could be just, oh, I don't know what they are. T4T. This is T4T. Drawstring jogger pants. They are jogging pants. And I got pockets in the back. Alright, so I'll go try those on for you. Alright, here's the poncho. Yes, super big. And it goes way up here. That it's so soft, but I'm not really sure if it's my thing or not. So this might be going back. Alright, here's the Kira. It's mixed materials. Super soft here, and it has a different material front. It's kind of long. So that's that one. If I was to keep this, definitely need to go up a size. It's just, but it's so pretty. So I'll show you the next one on with the patch. Drawstring pants on. They have pockets. They're cute. And yeah, that's everything I got in my box. A second. Alright, and here's the note. Send me, and I'll read it to you. It's a happy fix day, Kim. I hope this fix finds you basking in the post-holiday glow and celebrating a fabulous start to 2019. Start today with the comfy joggers by T4T These are the pair you had pinned, and I hope you love them. Wear with a cozy sweatshirt or tee and cardigan, perfect for lounging around the house. I wasn't able to find the zipper top, but I was able to snag this zip detail blouse by Fortune. Try your favorite denim and cardigan with this season. I saw lots of poncho style tops on your Pinterest and had to send these beautiful plush pullover by Leo and Nicole. This is lovely with a dark wash wedge denim and ankle booties. Add some sparkle with a pair of earrings or bling bracelet. Can't find much warmer weather attire for your trip, but I will definitely look for the next time. Hugs and kisses, Whitney. Thank you, Whitney. Alright, so the prices for this, I'll go down the list. Sit nicely, please. The zipper material, this one, super cute. This one is $34, the Fortune Ivy. So that is jogging pants. One thing I didn't show you guys with the jogging pants, it has a elastic at the bottoms. So, but they're pretty tight at the bottom. I love the cute little pockets. Alright, so the joggers were $44. And the poncho, I love this color. I believe it's hand wash only though. So cute. Okay, this poncho is $68. And this burgundy is $42. This one with the mixed materials. And the last one, the elbow patches, which is $44. So my subtotal is $232, and then after if I was to purchase everything, I'd get $58 subtracted. I'd get 25% off. That would make it. My total after that would be $174. And then I also have a credit of $49 because now I'm in a different bracket, I guess. I don't pay the $20 per box. I just get once a year for $49, and that $49 is deducted off of anything that I purchase. So, and if I don't get anything this time, it would be deducted on the next box if I was to purchase something. So after the $49 would be $125 for the whole box. So. All right.
Don't forget to subscribe and do a like.
Yep, like this video, please.
Bye.
And we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
God bless
Bye.
you guys.
I hope you had fun watching this video. Bye.
Bye.